Our emotional, if you get like something happened to you, everything is bad, you stay in this place, and it's always bad things is happening to you. Like, and emotion, guys, it's really like effective. It's really, if I'm in stress and I'm constantly emotional about it, you're gonna get more stress. You're gonna get sick. I see these people. It's just yeah, it's just crazy. I know it's crazy world up there, a lot of changes, but if you set up your mind like we've been talking about, I'm a great massage therapist. I'm gonna be the best, I don't know, best girl in Los Angeles to doing massages, and that's it. And you work on it every fucking day, not like hours, like 10, 12 hours till you get puke, and you're gonna do it again. I'm puke about this job. Trust me, I'm puke about sitting at the computer learning AI. I'm puking. I don't like it, but this is only the way. And I know if I'm not gonna do anything, if I'm gonna go to my depression, I'm gonna grab my bottle of my Jack again. It's gonna be disaster. It's gonna just roll me down, and nothing is gonna happen. But through that, I hate to doing this. I hate to do these videos. I hate to run this channel, but I have to run because it's only the way. I mean, it's only way. Because, not say I hate it. It just, it's too much. It's too hard. You know, it's too hard to learn video editing. Yeah, it's hard.
You've done good, so good.
Because I have to. It's no other option. That's why I have to prepare. That's why we have to do those classes. It's only way to teach those young guys to stop making those mistakes. And if people want it, they will learn it from you. They will learn from you, and they come and they start making money so quick. And it's really, I see the people mindset after school, like 1-2 years they got own business already. Look, like Roman, he's just what, he came like 2 years ago. He's got so many customers, and it's great. I know his trick. I know what he's doing. I can see everything, and that's what the biggest mistake. A lot of people, when massage therapists come in, I can see it. They have some small things to work on, and they become that's whatever they want. But it's the small things, but they don't see it. Like a lot of people here, I see the hygiene it's the like very bad. Like a lot of people, hygiene is bad, and this is number one. Like, I'm not saying about you guys. I work with many therapists. The hygiene is number one. I have this guy, number one, like very good hands, like super good hands, super good knowledge, but he's always dirty. He got cats, he got dogs, he got hair everywhere. He's always eat sandwiches in the car. He's always get that sauce on his t-shirt. And I told him this. And you know what he said? He just say, whatever. And I can still see him doing his business now, and he's still not get that point to dress nice, to dress clean, because people wants to clean. It's like a doctor. If I'm going to the hospital and I see the doctors come in with a pizza on his whatever, the rope, that what I'm gonna trust this doctor? I'm gonna say, who the fuck is this? And he's gonna be like this, like, hey, yeah, doctor, whatever, James. And you just, this has happened to me. I'm like, oh, like I bring my dad, and the guy is like, he's a nursing school. He can't shoot in this vein. He's cut his like 10 times. He 10 times missed that fucking vein because he's so nervous. He's like, Jesus Christ, I was already like, let me do it, because that's what I'm saying. It's just people need to, it just.
He's got the pizza on his shirt.
Yeah, he's got that. It's the hygiene, and it's not just, people walk in like therapists. I see a lot of therapists. You need to set this mind like how I set up my mind. Every time I work with someone or for someone, I see myself as this is my business. This is my business. This is what I'm running. This is me. So I have to do my best. I'll be honest with you, I don't do this for massage and the elements. Because this is like a slavery place. They basically slave you. The massage and all those corporate massages, it's the slavery. This is people with no respect to massage therapists. It's nothing to do. It's just a tool. They know the young people, young kids coming out, and they must go there. And they're $20 an hour, and that slavery, back-to-back clients, no talking, no assessment. It's just a fucking massage machine, which is going to be replaced by AI. And I'm so glad it's going to happen, because this suffering of these people, of this therapist, they're not learning anything. Trust me, they just learn this is the job is suck, and that's why they start hated. That's why I start hated in my first one. So the thing is the learn and educate yourself, and we here to help you. So hygiene. A lot of people walk in the office, they never pick the paper. It's like a garbage up there, and you're just like, come on, pick it up, because this is your place. This is your place where you work. And when you set up the mind like this, in a couple years, you're going to learn and run your own business. And you're going to do with no those mistakes. And you're going to learn from that person, the first person who's you're running with, how to run business. And he will teach you if you ask. It's no what's the call? It's no secret, because everything up there. So clean environment, that's the first. If you go to massage place and you see like whatever, someone was laid down up there with a tanning cream on him, and you can see those contour of the people on the sheet, and you're just like, holy shit, just someone just lay down up there, now I have to lay down. What about hepatitis B, hepatitis C? For $50 you can get that? Excellent. Good choice. That's what you have to go then. And the therapist have to like, yeah, it's just go ahead. Yeah, you don't want to pay $120 with a nice sheets, with everything clean environment. You can, like I said, you can take that wipe and just wipe the floor and see how clean is that. Yeah. And it's a lot of people make those mistakes. Oh, I know everything. I don't need to come for the class. It's just you need to come for the class because you meet the people same as yours, your vision, same as yours, like what people doing. You learn from them. You exchange this energy, because this all energy. We energetic you to learn, to start learn more and stop making those mistakes. That's why. In our channel in Patreon, we just post a script for how to sell massages, how to sell packages, what to say to people, how to be like, what kind of manner, how to talk to your people, how to approach. And that's everything up there. So don't wait, start educate yourself and make some good money, because therapists in Los Angeles can make up to like, I don't know, $15,000. It's happening. And I know who make those kind of money. So if you want to make still $1,000 in those massage places, be there. Don't need to sign up with us, and just, yeah. All right, I'm done here. No, it's the people come in here and they most of them like, yeah, I'm gonna have my own business. First of all, you come in to employer to me and you say you're gonna get your own business, right? So this is already kind of like, all right. And I see they're not even ready. They're not even ready. They late. The punctuality is bad. The conversation is bad. The technique is bad. There's no assessment. It's no like I said, it's a not clean environment. What else? It's so many mistakes. Unfollowing with your clients. Sometimes don't even respect the clients. Like I know this guy always finished the session 10 minutes before. Well, it's a 1 hour. It's never was 50 minutes. Yeah, and every client, let's say, why he's cut it short? Why he's cut it short? If you cut it short, at least to explain, like, hey, we're gonna go do some exercise or stretches, or I'm tired, but I don't know. It's just cut it 10 minutes all the time. It doesn't matter. It's the one guy. It's just don't.
I usually give more time.
It's good. It's good. You give them more. Yeah, it's great.
Lots of time I don't have enough time to.
Yeah, people.
6 minutes is not enough, and you need to work on the problem more.
Yeah, that's why you don't need to work more. You need to stop your session on time and say, okay, we're done for today, but I see we need to keep working, and I see the progress. And then you start rebooking those customers and push them as you are the specialist. But like I said, if the therapist in pain, he's not receiving massage on his own, he's not going to sell that product, because this is your other product. Your hands, that's the product for these people. And it's not always forever. That's why just remember yourself. This is not forever. You're not going to be doing this massage till like 70s, because you're going to get tired. You're going to get so you need to be smarter about your profession. You need to cut it off less clients, more respectful people, and the people are going to pay for your service because you're knowledgeable and you are, like I said, you are happier. you become happier. If you just massage machine, it's of course you're not gonna happy. You're not gonna be happy, and it's gonna create a lot of problems. I don't know. People get mad and all this crazy story about the spa is like, attacking client, be rude to the clients. Yeah, because $20 an hour and like I don't have any break. I just did 5 massages, and I'm in pain myself. I've never learned about how to take care of myself, especially in massage therapy profession. Of course, I'm gonna be mad, and that's the issue. All right, so